just share that how you passionate and you love to help your sister. And here's what I want you to have the mindset of the person. Come back to your country and you are present, you are an educator. But when you are in your country, people love to learn from you. They love to learn from you what you did. So here you present as the educator, which is the pupil teaching them. And what you already learned, you are 100 times knowledgeable and further than them.
Exactly. Yeah.
So what is the benefit for you? Let's say we work it down. For your sister, that I would say for 300, like 400, that for your sister. But if they are the person and they want to learn deep, the transformation, they might pay for 800. Okay. And in that 800 for that, what if you take half, I take half?
Okay, no worries. Yeah.
You see? You take half, I take half.
Yeah,
and sure. I got that because I built that course. And the half of you take responsibility to explain to them in your language.